Hey, only you can get in trouble for us looking at the screen, man. It's your job to close it, all right?
I'm not gonna close the screen. You guys have a good day.
Shut up and close it. Do your job correctly. That way we don't have to come out here and do it for you.
Have a good day.
All right.
Are you ready?
What's up, guys? What's up, everyone?
I'm okay. In my early 20s, I survived. My mom has pushed me to overdose 9 times. I do not talk to her only if it's an emergency.
Nice. She says she don't talk to police.
I'd rather get hit by a car than my body being missing, you know? I actually like myself. I don't want to, but I respect myself enough. So I'm already like on camera and I'm actually into women. Yeah, so the shelter I was staying, I'm happy I'm not there anymore because, you know, like I had 2 stalkers, they couldn't leave me alone, and I'm actually happy like that I was feeling suicidal there, so no, because I do like myself too, so yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, that's where I wanted to go, and then to make phone calls, and then the case manager said, no, mom, stay, like at least for the weekend I could stay with her.
She says she don't talk to police, guys.
It's an emergency. She's like, can your case manager find you another shelter? I'm like, things do not work that quickly, but like, she's smart enough to think, so I'm not gonna say that. And that just makes me passive aggressive and impulsive.
So you're not able to go back to the frontage?
No, and I'm happy. Yeah, I didn't want to be there anymore. I'm actually happy I'm not there
Did
anymore.
they kick you out or you like you
Yeah, I did something, so did I truly get kicked out? I do not. No. Okay.
You ready? Alright. Go get your stuff in our trunk. You wanna pump the trunk? Oh, you guys wanna check your first okay.
They're searching her belongings, guys.
Come around this way, Samantha.
Yo,
Hey, only you can get in trouble for us looking at the screen, man. It's your job to close it, all right?
I'm not gonna close the screen. You guys have a good day.
Shut up and close it. Do your job correctly. That way we don't have to come out here and do it for you.
Have a good day.
All right. You get his name?
Nah, his gas can was over. I just let him know.
$5,700 vehicle. 5,700. Right, they should have had a female officer out here. So the call was of a suicide. Not a suicide, but of that supposedly she was suicidal. She seemed pretty coherent. Some of the words that I understood was that she doesn't talk to police, that she'd rather get hit by a car. I don't understand why she did talk to police. I don't understand why they searched her purse, and I don't understand why she got in the car with them. With that being said, guys, thank you for tuning in. Shout out Nate Skates 182, aka San Joaquin Cop Watch. Shout out San Joaquin Audits, you guys.
Watch him.
San Joaquin, San Joaquin. Gotta watch 'em. We know the way that you coppin'. We don't give no option. Camera gon' shoot in 9 minutes. Keep that rollin', no stopping. They don't know now, we gon' teach them everything. By my country, everything. This my country, every day. False conviction, you got a power addiction. We on the road, me and the bros, telling the story so everyone know. Send them to hell, little Nicky. San Joaquin, shout out the group. We gon' show the world, don't miss it. My whole team on a mission. My eyes wide open, I see everything you doing. We gon' check the law. I know my rights like I passed the bar. I'ma make sure you know yours and all. Home of the brave, free us all. Can't do it all and we standing tall. Only real criminals behind bars. Only real criminals behind bars. Ooh, excuse me, Mr. Officer. Why you wanna pull me over for? This is public property. You not even on the board. Give a pig a badge, he get happy and go overboard. Pistol out and count to 3. This ain't what I voted for. I know my rights now. Get the light out my face, turn the light out. Why you out late? I'm a night owl. Get your hand off the trigger and pipe down. Camcorder got it ready. I know a lot of people be false accused. I just keep spreading the story. I'm gon' make it known till it's on the news. Wide open, I see everything you doing. We gon' check the law. I know my rights like I passed the bar. I'ma make sure you know yours and all. Home of the brave, free us all. Can't do it all and we standing tall. Only real criminals behind bars. Only real criminals behind bars.